Hey, Tati, and I'm here with a video about the time I had braces and how it relates to Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez's experience and views about having braces herself. I was inspired to make this video because while scrolling through Instagram one day, I saw that she had posted on her Instagram story about getting braces again. So I'll post the picture and message that she had here on the screen. So basically she mentions that she did have braces before when she was a teen, and afterwards she was given her retainer that she needed to wear, but by her mid-20s her retainer fell out and broke, so she couldn't really pay for it at that point because she needed to pay out of pocket for it. So what shocked me was that she said it took her getting into Congress to finally have and afford quality dental care so that she could eventually get braces again and or a retainer. So before I continue talking about AOC's views about dental care and braces, I thought I'd talk about my experience for a bit just so that you could see how this relates to me personally. So I also had braces as a teen. I had them for 3 years from ages 13 through 16. And with that came a lot of oral work and procedures, including taking out this canine. So now I have this hole in my mouth because I just didn't see the dentist as often and didn't realize that I still had a baby tooth still at age 13. So medi-cal, which is California's low-income affordable healthcare plan, was able to cover my entire dental work, including taking out the tooth. But what I wasn't told was that medi-cal would not be covering the implant, because the implant at that point is not causing me any dental issues. It would just be a cosmetic procedure at that point, and they would expect me to pay about $3,000 to $4,000 to get a tooth implant. Since I did not immediately go for the implant because I was not working and my mom could definitely not afford a $4,000 dental procedure, we did not go through with it, and instead they just took off my braces, mentioned that I might have to get braces again after I get the implant, and now I'm stuck with a hole in my mouth. So eventually AOC mentions in her Instagram story that having to pay out of pocket for basic health and dental procedures is classist, which I agree. I probably feel like I get looked at by interviewers or get looked at by strangers wondering why I have a big gaping hole in my mouth and how it might not look professional in terms of a company or corporate setting. It's all about looks for those types of people, and so I don't want to blame anyone. I am not blaming anyone but the system and how they just don't help much with being able to afford basic dental procedures. So recently I went to the dentist. I went to a brand new dentist, so he was not able to do a basic deep cleaning just yet because my healthcare needed to be approved first, but he did take x-rays and he saw the issue that was going on in my mouth. And so currently I have some signs of early gum disease. He says that we're lucky we were able to catch that early on, and the way he explained it is that we're past the point of gingivitis. Now we're on early onset gum disease, and so he recommended a petroleum gel with a tooth mold that in total equaled about $1,000 that I would have to pay out of pocket. Again, this is medi-cal not being able to pay that procedure just so that I don't have a gum disease in my mouth. And so this is just really upsetting to hear about, and it's definitely something we need to think about and really advocate for when it comes to just basic health care within our government, especially when we're voting for these types of propositions and representatives. So it is currently the end of September, and election day is coming very soon. So I just wanted to kind of make this somewhat political video to spread awareness and just let everyone know that you have a voice and you can go out and vote for your representatives who agree in just basic affordable health care. So that's it for this video. And if you have any questions regarding my life experiences or just any ideas that you wanted to run by me in terms of politics, feel free to let me know down below. And if you're interested in seeing more videos just about basic living in Southern California, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.